Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G53, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and locate the battery saver on one of the pages. Now for me it's on the second page, as you can see right over here. So once you see this toggle, simply press on it. It will light up. Also shows you that it's on right now. Adds a red outline around your battery at the top, so you can actually see that it's on. And that's about it. Now Motorola decided not to give us any kind of information on what this mode changes, so I'm going to try to maybe explain a little bit. So when you enable the power saving mode, you might experience that your notifications are delayed or just won't come at all when you are not using your device. So when it's in sleep mode, kind of like this. That would be primarily to do with safe mode. So if you have this kind of problem that's safe mode related, and to obviously solve it, you just need to turn off your safe mode. Though keep in mind, it might not be a problem depending on how Motorola implemented it. I'm just kind of guessing right here, because most of the power saving modes do something with Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device. Now once you're done saving your power, you can turn off the toggle by simply tapping on it once more. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.